I had a chance to come to Southern California, and so I brought the CTX to do some beach detecting. I'm going to go out for about 30 minutes and see what I find. But before I go out, I'm going to set the machine up in the factory presets, choose the beach mode, and then I'm going to make one small change to the beach mode. I'm going to notch out or discriminate out modern US clad pennies because I really don't want to find those. And then I'll come back in about 30 minutes and I'll see how I've done. Now I've chosen not to use the seawater setting in my beach program because I'm not going to be going into the surf where the water and the sand is washing back and forth across the coil. If I was going to be in the surf detecting, I would turn the seawater mode on because that's what that's for, is the constantly changing conditions with the salt water and the sand washing over the coil back and forth will make a lot of machines unstable, but with the seawater setting for the CTX 3030, it smooths everything out and makes it a very stable detector in the radically changing ground conditions that you can get in the surf. Okay, so I went out for about a half an hour and detected and came up with a handful of clad coins. No real surprise there, except for one thing. I found a 1971 Kennedy half dollar. Nobody really carries these anymore, so I'm not quite sure how that got there. The CTX performed really well on both dry and wet sand. The stability of the machine means that you don't mask targets by ground mineralization changes that you would with other machines.